windows were on single sided on center opening. These are the elevators of the AHN North Health Wellness Pavilion in North Fayette / Robinson Township, Pennsylvania. These are 2023 Schindler 330 elevators with vent resistant fixtures. Here two. Trim is missing. I thought that was construction for a minute. Go back down to one. It's a standard AHN color snap cab. This used to be a furniture store and main event entertainment, and there was a 330A in that space as well. I think one of these two, this is called Tuesday, probably the other one, actually apparently replaced another, that 330A, that old 330A, but I think it went like half floors or something. Here comes, and that's gonna be it.